Hey guys, this is Kalia with Southern Regime. Did you know that you can actually receive monetary relief from a CFPB complaint? So that's what I'm going to show you today. What steps to take before you actually submit that complaint is actually figuring out what kind of complaints have actually been receiving monetary relief. So first, you're going to search CFPB complaint database. You're going to go into their database, and I'm going to show you with a couple clicks here. You're going to select debt collection. You're going to go down to written notification about debt and consumer response, and company response to consumer. You want to look at accounts that were closed with monetary relief. And you're going to click list. All right, so let's say we look up Capital One. So you can see here what the issue was, written notification about debt. And this consumer said they didn't receive enough information for Capital One to actually verify the debt. So there's a checklist of things that the company has to show and prove that you are the actual holder of their debt. If they can't prove that information, definitely dispute it. And you can see here that they receive monetary compensation. Now, when you go into this database, it won't tell you the exact amount that they received, but you do know that they received an amount. And you can actually look up various companies in here. So let's say we looked up Barclays, similar situation, but here you can actually read what the customer wrote regarding the violation as to why they received that monetary relief. If you have questions, shoot me an email. Be sure to like, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.